Previously on Lifetime Travel Mates.
After visiting Kappa Island, we went to Ninh Binh province, which has some of the most impressive landscapes of Vietnam. We rented a motorbike from the hotel and started exploring around. We went first to Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex. There we took a boat to follow a route along some caves and beautiful temples. It was foggy and rainy, which made a very special atmosphere. Later, we went to Bai Dien Temple Spiritual and Cultural Complex, the largest complex of Buddhist temples in Vietnam. A huge area with temples, pagoda, and hundreds of statues surrounded by the forest and mountains. We also tried the Ninh Binh food specialty goat meat. And we still had time to visit a small cave with a temple inside next to our hotel.
We started our day riding around Tam Co. We were astonished by magnificent nature around us. Ninh Binh province is north of Red River Delta. It has large areas with green valleys, karst mountains, and conservation centers. It offers plenty of hikes and caves and some ancient temples.
We stopped at a small temple, Thai Vi Temple. The temple was built by King Tran Tai Thong in 1258 after the first and glorious victory over the invading Chinese forces. It was very quiet and we enjoyed the peaceful moment.
It's so different. So we visit, what was the name of the temple?
I don't know, I don't remember.
Didi or something like that. We're gonna check it out. Where are we going? Mua Cave.
It's Sonokong. Was the inspiration for Son Goku.
The landscape was spectacular. It looked like as if the rock cliffs were floating on the glittering golden rice field under the sunlight. Probably that is why Ninh Binh is called Halong Bay inland.
Before leaving, after all those stairs, we had a nice coffee.
Look at this iced coffee and milk, condensed milk, right?
And yogurt.
We were surprised by a birthday party inside the restaurant.
Can you hear the nature?
Even though the music was louder than the nature, we still could enjoy majestic views for a little while.
Hoa Lu was the capital of Vietnam in the 10th and 11th centuries. Unfortunately, many parts were destroyed, but still we enjoy the temples and beautiful landscapes surrounding the complex. Okay, we're going to this Tien Cave. 50 meters far. Check it out. Hello. Hi. Hi.
There we started finding couples in wedding dresses. We realized it is a popular spot for wedding photo shootings, but we left them work and continued to the cave.
Tien Cave is a national monument belonging to the ancient relic of Hoa Lu. It is said that this is the place where King Dien Huang raised the tigers and panthers to torture criminals. Later, a Buddhist shrine was built inside. And now, it is still a calm place with some impressive views of mountains and a clear lake.
We were so amazed by this majestic landscape with the high mountains and the beautiful lake, but we had to leave to reach our next destination before sunset.
Van Long is the largest wetland nature reserve in northern Vietnam and is considered as the Bay of No Waves, with tranquil water surface like a giant mirror reflecting spectacular natural sceneries.
This wetland holds 2 national records for having the most endangered Delacour langurs and for being the largest unspoiled landscape in Vietnam. Langurs are not easy to spot, but we were quite lucky on that day.
Monkey, there.
Oh my god, it's so cute!
This is amazing. We are spotting lots of monkeys in this mountain. Here, take a look. At least we saw 5 climbing up. There's a monkey, I think.
At the end of the boat trip, we saw one of the most beautiful sunsets we've ever seen in Vietnam. The peace of the place and the calm movement of the boat made it truly special.
Amazing. Sunset, monkeys, birds and other creatures in these nice waters.
On the way back, we finished our day with delicious tropical burger, fresh spring rolls and some beer. Yesterday we couldn't see the super moon, not even Superman, but tonight we can see a quite beautiful full moon. Good night. Thanks for watching this video.
If you like this video, click like, leave a comment, and support us by subscribing to our channel and activate notifications.
Visit and follow our Facebook page and Instagram, and read our stories and travel articles on our blog.